1 in 4 Americans has medical debt, and new resolution coming to the Milwaukee board could alleviate the burden for almost 67,000 people. CBS 58's Jenna Wells live in studio to explain how the proposal would work. Jenna?
Joseph, the proposal would allocate $1.6 million of American Rescue Plan Act funding toward a new partnership between Milwaukee County and RIP Medical Debt, a nonprofit organization primarily funded by donations.
When you look at the data in Milwaukee County, a quarter of families are in medical debt collections, and a quarter of that are families of color.
Milwaukee County sits 4% above the national average for household medical debt. Supervisor Sean Rollins' proposal could lower those numbers. RIP Medical Debt had similar partnerships with Cook County, Illinois, and Toledo, Ohio.
We've been able to get rid of, through this model, since 2014, $8.5 billion of medical debt, helping 5.5 million families across the country.
The nonprofit buys debt directly from providers. Eligible residents will have their debt automatically forgiven.
We can invest $10 and get $1,000 in return.
It's actually a relatively small percentage of the overall ARPA funds that most localities are dedicating to us, yet it's having a huge return.
Local hospitals have to sell their debt to the organization. Wauwatosa Alderman Andrew Mindell is working to get the medical campus on board.
The intention of this is not to vilify our hospitals. They do a lot of great work in our community, but provide the service and step in so that way there's an intermediary, RIP Medical Debt, can just work directly with them and get these accounts off the books.
While the resolution is a short-term fix, Rollins says the relief has long-term implications.
So if in a one-time use of this federal money we can create a lot of relief in their lives, let's do it.
Supervisor Rollins says several other Milwaukee County supervisors have voiced their support, including County Executive David Crowley. The ARPA task force will vote on that resolution on Thursday, and if it passes, the full county board will take it up this spring. In the studio, Jenna Wells, CBS 58 News.